with our shallots, just kind of a little bit of basic knife skills. Cut off the outside of the root, not too much of it, because your root will help hold your shallot together whilst you're slicing it. Will make sense in a minute when I get there. And then peel it. I usually take off the outside layer. It's usually a little tough. Again, that could go in your stock pot for sure. And I called for 3. Kind of depends on the size of your shallots. The second one I'm halving and peeling. This is a little one. I had a big one. And I've got one more little guy. So again, cut off the external part of the root, cut off the stem end, slice it in half, peel it. There we go. And I'm just going to throw away all my peelings. And I am going to slice my shallots into half moons. So, just nice little semicircles or half moons.